Hi everyone! It's 4:25 p.m. here in Vienna, Austria. And in the Philippines, it's 10:25 na ng gabi. So ngayon guys, nag-air fryer ako guys ng bulgogi. Ewan ko guys, hindi ko sure ha. Basta beef ito guys na, yan guys, naka-slice siya ng naka-slice siya guys ng ayan o thin slice siya na may laman. Ayan guys, so gi-air fryer ko siya guys para tanggal lahat ng mantika guys. At syempre guys, may 2 kinds of hotdog din kami guys. Ayan, ang sarap ng hotdog niyan guys, promise. So eto guys, ang aming lunch and dinner na rin for today. And of course guys, merong mais at saka salad. So this is our kind of guys, lunch and dinner for today. So, ayan guys, ayan. And of course guys, rice is life.